Hey y'all, Leslie here. Well, I survived my morning workout, but it feels like I just barely survived it. I would have a serious case of PMS right now. True story. I woke up this morning and felt awful, and I really didn't want to go to the gym, but I had the time, and I knew I wasn't gonna feel any worse for going. And I knew I didn't have to push myself or kill myself, even though I have access to a full weight room today and tomorrow and won't for about a week. I wanted to use the full weight room and do a really heavy lifting workout, but my body just wasn't up for it. So I figured it's better to go and do something than to skip the full workout and do nothing. So I dragged myself to the gym and I just walked on the treadmill. I put some incline in there to make it a little rough. And once I got done with that, I thought I could do a little more. So I just did a little upper body lifting. And now I'm done, and my cramps are kicking in, and I'm feeling sort of like I was before the workout. And as I think back, the only time this morning that I haven't felt awful was while I was working out. So even on your worst of days, PMS, sore from the last workout, bad mood, whatever it is, see if you can get yourself to the gym and just even walk on the treadmill for 30 minutes. You'll burn a few calories, get your sweat on, and you'll feel better. I promise. No one ever got to the end of a workout and said, gee, I wish I wouldn't have done that. So just get yourself there and do it. That's your Motivation Minute for the day. Hope you go out and make it a good one.